All right, this is American Woman by the Guess Who. We're going to have a DGDGBD tuning for the acoustic. So D, and then G, D again, normal one. G is normal, B is normal, and the E goes down to D. So to check those ones we had to change, you got your big D, you got G instead of A, and then we have the little E string as a D. Okay, so first we have a harmonic on the A, D, G, and B strings on the 12th fret. So I just use like all four of these fingers. And then we're gonna have this 4-3-3 little G shape. Okay, so we have 4-3-3. And it's like a swing fill, so half step down, chromatic 3-2-2. Another half step 2-1-1. And when we hit those bottom three, we'll hit that A string, the 5th string, the G string in this case, with that. So it's gonna go. And then we're gonna get into a thing where we're gonna kind of do a chord. I use these first two fingers on the A and D strings here. It's like a honky tonk thing with a chord and the other note coming in kind of, but it's gonna be like. So you can kind of hit one bass note and then kind of hammer in on the double strings and stuff, different ways to do it. So, but we get into a thing like that. So it's like we got that chord. Back to this. Then after he's singing a little bit, we're going to have a new part that's going to kind of be a variation on this. It's going to be. Okay, so this is going to start with like a double on the opens, and then the bass again, and then the two bottom strings there, and then the 5th string bass with those two bottom strings. So it's. It's got that swing feel, so 1, 2, and then we're gonna go. So that's 5s on the bottom 3 strings with that 5th string bass. Back to the bass, all 3 3s with that bass, and then that bass with the opens there. So now this thing's gonna come in with a, and that'll be followed by the. So you've got that. Honky Tonk. We're back in the. So just try to keep that bum ba bum ba bum as much as you can on that bass as you're doing the higher chords. And then a variation on that we're gonna have. So here we're gonna have little 10s on the bottom 2 to the 12s. We're gonna have the bass each time on that 5th string with that. So this is. And then you get back into a. Then the 4th time, hit all 5 of the bottom strings there, open. And then we're into the electric part. I'm going to show you real quick in this tuning how this goes. We can use one finger and get the 5th, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings all with that one finger with a big chord there. Go to the 7s and the 9s. Okay, so it's like 4, 7, 7 into 9. Sometimes you got that 5, 7 in there, 7, 9 in this case. Okay, we're going to move on to the leads now. Okay, so that was our rhythm on the electric, and then we're going to go. Okay, so we had 9, 11 to 13 on the G, and then 13, 14 to 16. Then we're going to go. So that was 15 on the second string, 14 on the D string, 12 to 13 on the G. Okay, so we got. Okay, so same type of riff, but little 16 to 16 on the third string, 14, 15 on the second string. Now we're going to look at the solo. We've got 3 bends on the 11 on the G string, followed by, so up and down on the 11, pull off, 11 to 9, so 3 bends, and then 14th fret of the G, hold it, similar thing. Now we're going to have a lot of half step bends in this solo, which makes it real cool. Little 14th fret, half step bend on the second string. That's our riff from before, 15 on the second, 14 on the fourth string, 12 to 13. Series of half step bends on the 14 on the second string. So when I have something bent up in a tab, I'll have like just another dot to say that it's played again while it's up. So that's what's happening here. You see a couple dots in between these notes. And just a reminder, download these free tabs. They're very helpful. Then we have that riff again. 15 to 17, second string. Couple 17s, second string. 15, 17, bend it. Bend it again. Kind of a downward. 15, 17. Little 15, quarter step bend to 17. Hammer on pull off, 15, 17. 14, 12. Bend the 14 on the G. Couple more. Let's take it back a little bit. So we'll have a little bit of these 12, 14, little half step up and down bends. This one ends with a little half step, 14 to 17 at the end of it. Okay, then we have a break, then we have more lead. We're going to have, you got 14s, 12s, little half step. You got 12, 14, 12, 14 going up. So we're going to have a 12, 14, 12, little bend on that 14. 12, 14, 12. Typical kind of stuff. Now we got a quick one. We got little 12 to third string 12. Little bend, so 14 on the D. And then we wait and we go. So we'll kind of use that little 12 to get back to that little bend on that third string to that 4 over there, 14 over there. And then we got. So we got a little 15, little bend, 12, 14, 15, second string. So kind of the same type stuff. 12, 14, 12. 14, 12, 14. 15 up and down, 14. So little 19. Up and down, half step. 17, 19, 17, 16. Little 19, 17, 16. 17, 16, 14, 12. Back to this kind of stuff. Then we're going to end with a little 16, 17, 15, 16.